Hello guys, today I'm going to discuss a very basic concept of electrical circuit which is called voltage source. An ideal voltage source provides a constant voltage at the output. The simplest example of voltage source is a perfect battery whose internal resistance is 0. For example, if we see this circuit connection, I have got one battery which is a voltage source whose resistance is completely 0, and I am connecting it with a load resistance. For example, this load resistance vary from 1 ohm to 1 mega ohm, and this voltage source is of 10 volt. So what is the potential difference that we will obtain across these two points is very important. Again, I am saying we have got a voltage source of 10 volt. I am connecting it with a variable resistance from 1 ohm to 1 mega ohm. It is a variable resistance. You can say simply, you can call it RL, load resistance, and I am connecting it, and I want to know what is the potential difference across this. So here you can see that the load voltage is fixed, that is 10 volt, when the load resistance changes from 1 ohm to 1 mega ohm. Why? The question arises, why? Because there is no other resistance here where there will be potential drop. We consider these wires as perfectly conducting wires, but there is no drop of resistance, and this voltage source has no internal resistance. So whatever potential we apply here, the same potential will appear across these two ends. So basically we are getting a constant output voltage. So this is an example, a constant output voltage for all the load resistances. It doesn't matter I keep it 1 ohm, it doesn't matter I keep it 1 mega ohm. Okay, so I am getting a constant output voltage. So the graph will be like this. If I plot here load resistance, okay, in, for example, ohm versus source voltage in volt, and for example this is the 10 volt that I am already getting at the output, so I will get a constant 10 volt regardless of whatever ohm we apply. For example, this is 1 ohm, okay, 1 ohm. This is for example 500 ohm, okay, this is 1000 ohm, this is 1 mega ohm, okay, it doesn't matter. We are getting a constant output voltage regardless of any of the load resistances. So this is the concept of voltage source.